Hey, Mom, there's all the plows that go in the locomotives. And then all the trucks from one with a couple old mail cars on like those that blue and green. Now there's a nice, it's a Lehigh Valley passenger car back there. It's old though.
I think I want to live here. They've got a good car.
Go with me? No. Going in my pocket.
Maybe neat video going over. Mom,
Stop, stop,
I
squirm.
thought we have a
You're gonna
video
sit here, you're
going
not
of
gonna
the
squirm.
train next to us.
Just lay back.
But it got boring now.